Hello guys,
Hey guys,
I'm here with Mahor and we're currently visiting Payoneer's offices. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Me too. So let's go on and continue. Okay, here we go.
Hey guys,
Hello.
this
Hi.
is Mo from Payoneer and Valeria.
Hello, nice to meet you all.
Okay guys, can you please show us a little bit about Payoneer's offices so we can all have a look and introduce it to everyone?
So, hi everyone. We're based in Israel. Actually, here it's the R&D center of Payoneer. We have around 800 employees here in this building. Our headquarters actually in New York, but we're here next to Tel Aviv here in Petah Tikva in Israel. So here in this building we have the business, the operations, R&D, customer support as well, in addition to the one we have in Hong Kong and US. And what else we have I missed? Operations. But basically the company is here, and let's see a bit from what we have in our floor.
Cool.
So follow me, please. So now we're going to go to the business side. Payoneer. We have here different markets, including the customer support, the CSM, basically the customer success management, and managing our high-end clients. We manage here in this floor our
Hey guys,
our partnerships and affiliates team right here. It's empty now because we're all here, but basically this is where we work on to build partners with integration with different partners, just like Triple Mars, all over the world. Let's continue. This is the product actually where we working on developing new products for you guys, for our clients. And this is my favorite part actually in the building. This is the kitchen.
it's everyone's favorite.
It's a nice facility, as you can see.
Yeah, it's
Cool.
By the way, for the kids on vacations, you see everyone come here to play. It's pretty cool.
Nice, some creativity workshops and nice.
Yeah. By the way, all of you, we'll see more later doing some push-ups.
Ooh, push-ups and pull-ups. Yeah, I'd like to see that too.
Don't count it.
So now this is actually the side of the marketing. Again, because marketing, it's managed also locally in different countries in the world, but the main one, we manage it operationally and globally from here. It's pretty cool. We manage all the CRM campaigns that we have, working on events. Hopefully, your clients will see more and more locally in their countries and regionally. And we have our R&D team that give us the support, tech support for all the products and different services that we offer the clients. And here we actually go and enter to the mass payout, which is one of the products. And here, this is a live session, by the way. Live session, but Doreen and another.
Hello.
So this is what actually one of the floors in our complex here. Again, we have 16 different locations all over the world, 16 offices all over the world. This is one of them, the main one, obviously. And we have 5 floors beneath us. So it's an impressive complex. But now we go to the main room to manage the interview.
Cool. Go ahead. Gilad, I see that you're online. Nice to see you. Cool.
As you can see, this is Dropshipping.
Well, I like the wallpapers.
Yeah, actually, it's a cool thing. In our building, each room has a different name of city in the world.
I think it's pretty common with.
Pretty common with global companies, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Okay, I think what we'll do is I'll put the camera right here, maybe put it here. Okay. ככה, כאילו?
Want to change it to a computer?
I don't know how to, if technically it will be... Ah, it's yours?
Yeah, we can end the session, we can start a new one.
Cool, yeah, I think it's a good idea. Okay, guys. So, awesome. We'll be right back for the main event, which is the interview with the Payoneer, with Mor and Valeria. So stay tuned. In a moment, we'll get back.